Hello, you are welcome once again to Tuga Media TV. Wherever you are, may you have a wonderful day. Today we are diving more into the crypto world and we are going to look at one powerful project called Cardano. Cardano is a powerful project and we are going to look at the use cases of Cardano, the prices of Cardano, the future price prediction, and all other latest news and trendy news in the crypto space. So let's go to our screen and look at the price of Cardano currently. So this is our screen. Now we are on CoinGecko. The price of Cardano is trading today at 2.86 US dollars. Let's look at the price of Cardano last year. Last year, March 13, 2020, the price was as low as 0.019 cents. So looking at this, you see the high returns on Cardano. Currently, it has sold by 14,540.9%. So if on March 13, 2020, you bought just even 100 Cardano, the profit margin is so huge. Now let me issue a disclaimer here. This video is a purpose for education. We are learning and we are not a financial advisor, so you don't take this video as your financial advice to invest in this crypto Cardano. When you make a loss, it's at your own risk. We are just looking at what is Cardano and what is the use case of Cardano. Now Cardano is a decentralized platform that will allow complex programmable transfers of value in a secure and scalable fashion. It is one of the first blockchains to be built in the highly secure Haskell programming language, which seeks to deliver more advanced features than any protocol to evolve out of scientific philosophy and a research first driven approach. The development team consists of a large global collective of expert engineers and researchers. Now the Cardano project is a huge project being built with huge timeline. Now currently they are trying to build smart contracts on the blockchain of Cardano, and this is a huge news ahead. So the technology is very powerful. It's going to be a powerful multi-layer protocol which will perform advanced function and also has a settlement layer that is linked to a control layer. The settlement layer will have a unit of account, while the control layer will run smart contracts and will be programmed to recognize identity, assisting compliance and allowing blacklisting, for example. So the protocol of Cardano is geared towards protecting privacy rights of users while also taking into account the needs of regulations. So in doing so, Cardano is the first protocol to balance this requirement in a nuanced and effective way. That's by pioneering a new approach for cryptocurrency. So this is the Cardano website here. We are looking at the use cases of Cardano. We'll see that it's used in various sectors of our life. In education, they are partnered with an Ethiopian government to issue academic certificates that can be permanently stored on the blockchain. This is a huge upside for Cardano. It says in education, the issuance of academic certification is heavily centralized. If diplomas, degrees, or other credentials are damaged or lost, the reissue process is often costly and the issuing institution might no longer exist. Sharing these credentials is also difficult as academic achievements are traditionally issued in physical form. So they build an application on Cardano blockchain called Atala Prism. It's an ID and credential solution built on the Cardano blockchain. What Atala Prism helps in secures academic certifications within an immutable and tamper-proof ecosystem, that it can never be clean or can never be wiped, but it's very transparent. Everybody can see what the academic credentials are on the blockchain. So this is a powerful use case here. And in retail, they've also built Atala Scan that leveraged blockchain technology to offer the solution to a problem where counterfeit goods can be detected easily. So they also build the agriculture Atala Trace, where agriculture products can be traced sustainably on the blockchain. So with full transparency. Then in government also we have here current credentials issuance and verification systems are inherently flawed. Document and control remains within issuer rather than the individual. So Atala Prism as an application built on the Ethereum Cardano blockchain will help address this flaw. So currently the team of Cardano are building now in finance also. They can help identify verification of as people open new bank other administrative processes can also be made. We have healthcare. They have a whole lot of use case of Cardano. So now they are about to launch their smart contracts protocol. So this smart contract is going to help developers create various applications in this health field, finance field, government field, agriculture field, retail, education, and many other sectors of the economy. So this is a huge upside for Cardano. Now the token of Cardano is the other ADA, because every blockchain project has a token of value commonly referred to as a cryptocurrency. So ADA is the cryptocurrency on the Cardano blockchain, with other holders can send value between friends, pay for a good or service, deposit funds on an exchange, or enter an application. So this is the other token issued on the Cardano blockchain. No other also can be staked to earn interest on the staking. So when you stake other, you earn a lot of interest as you perform validation on the proof of work network. So looking at the lower price of Cardano, those who invested this last year bought some few Cardano, they have made a lot of profit from this other token. This is not a financial advice, but you can also, if you want to participate in buying Cardano, you can buy a few Cardano down. Cardano has a maximum supply of 45 billion, which is so huge that it will take many years for Cardano price to reach the $10 mark. So currently, if Cardano, for example, in 5 years reaches the $10 mark, then you can make some profit if you buy or you invest in this Cardano. At the same time, you can stake your Cardano for a 5% interest APY per year. So it's very good. Now looking at my wallet here, let me show you something. On the 28th of May 2020, this is 28th May, you can see the date here. I just bought Cardano 325 ADA. That was at the price of $21, and currently this is the price, $934. So you can see the huge profit margin or huge upside in this investment. On the 31st also, the same May 2020, I just bought 77.20 US dollars of ADA, which I got 1,1324 ADA, 1,037 ADA. This 1,037 ADA is currently worth 2,983 US dollars. But along the line, I sold most of these others. I sold most of them on the way. But if I was to leave them for a long term, this would have been the profit margin just for putting $77 in just 1 year, making 2,975 US dollars. So it's a huge, even as they are going to launch their smart contract capability, is going to be so huge. It's going to be so huge. So we wait to see the future. The future is blockchain technology. You can decide to put small investment in blockchain technology and have a huge profit in the future. But remember, cryptocurrency carries a huge risk, as currently the price of Cardano is 2.86. This year 2021 is a bull year, so that's how the prices are soaring so high. But this price can fall. It can fall again. It can fall to $1, even less than $1. So sometimes when you are able to buy some of this Cardano down and the price, let's say in 2 months, the price falls to $1, sometimes it creates a lot of panic and fear among investors, and they want to quickly opt out. But that is not a healthy strategy. When the price falls below your initial capital investment, the best is to leave your Cardano intact like that and stake your Cardano and wait till the year that the price will rebounds above the price at which you bought. So in future, let's say 5 years time, Cardano can be worth $5 or even more. That is a future price prediction, but it's not certain, because the crypto world is a movement of demand and supply. So the more people are buying Cardano, the prices goes up. The more people are opting out or selling Cardano, the price reduces. So this is not a financial advice, but it's for your own educational purpose. Now let's look at various news today. We can look at various news today. We have 3DeFi partners up with alternative investment fund Untitled Capital. DeFi project takes its first step into the real world. 3DeFi is growing DeFi project that has been active for 5 months. Ontario Securities Regulator bars the country's first registered crypto platform from trading data. Now, after months of regulatory actions against exchange operating in Canada, securities regulators have started greenlighting trading platforms. So let's also look at breaking. The Mailer-owned Mailer Opportunity Trust reviews 1.5 million GBTC share holdings. The Mailer Opportunity Trust, a hedge fund owned by billionaire investor Bill Mailer, revealed it holds 1.5 million shares of Grayscale's premium Bitcoin investment products. PancakeSwap is also ready to break above the $26 price, is current at $24. Then Constellation Network provides commercial partners end-to-end blockchain scrutiny. Constellation Network integrates hypergraph transfer protocol to the military's digital infrastructure. Now, A16Z launches $400 million seed fund to expand into new technology. With its new fund, the company is expanding its net for opportunities outside of its usual investment. So let's look at other news. LSRP lawsuit, court grants Ripple 6 expert discovery extension request. Jessara Netbank has granted Ripple and the SEC motion to extend the deadline for expect discovery. Now 27 million Bitcoin seized by Brazilian police in Ponzi scheme investigated. Brazilian federal police says they have removed more than 27 million in Bitcoin following a series of alleged Ponzi schemes run by one company. Adam Back and the stock to flow model anticipates that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 by the end of 2021 using the stock to flow model. Now Chainlink VRF is integrating into GetArt Marketplace NFT to secure NFT giveaways. GetArt Marketplace has now accessibility to a tamper-proof and fully transparent source of randomization for NFT freebies by incorporating Chainlink's industry-leading decentralized database. Tether releases newly unfrozen funds associated with the Poly network. Tether is in the news today after the world's largest stablecoin announced the release of the 33.4 million in frozen funds. The funds were associated with the Poly network hack. The People's Bank of China blasts Bitcoin and crypto once again. For a minute there, it seems like the fad was over. The People's Bank of China contributes to its country's crackdown at the Financial Knowledge and Popularization Month in a report. Bitstamp and Ledger executives weigh customer service database after Coinbase saga. A new investigation has revealed hundreds of Coinbase customer complaints around hacking and lost funds, drawing attention to a bad customer experience on crypto exchanges. IOTA sustained the $1 value. Now the SEC signs $65,000 contract with analytical firm to investigate DeFi market. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has taken a major steps towards regulating the DeFi market. Binance lawsuit claimants mount up in arbitration for decentralization. Binance processes around 25 billion worth of cryptocurrencies trades daily and has seen over 2 trillion move through its exchange to date. Now Ethereum name service now lets you use most domain. The Ethereum name service now supports most domain names, meaning most websites can now be associated with the Ethereum address. So months use parents of boys accused of $780,000 Bitcoin is. A US citizen is suing the parents of two 10 minors who had allegedly stolen $750,000 worth of Bitcoin some 3 years ago. Crypto scam Horizon Coin CEO sentenced to 5 years behind bars. The CEO of the cryptocurrency scam Horizon Coin that allegedly duped 4 million from investors has been sentenced to 5 years behind bars. Now, this is all the news today we have here. We'll bring you all other news and other projects on the blockchain. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.